Hello friends, welcome. Today I am drawing Baby Bluey playing soccer. Do you want to know what happened when Baby Bluey tried soccer for the very first time? Can you guess? Did she kick the ball super far? Did she trip and roll around laughing? Or did she discover a magic bounce? Clap if you think she kicked far. Stomp if she tripped. Wiggle your fingers if it was magic. Let's find out together. The morning sun was soft and bright. The grass was fresh. The sky just right. Baby Bluey spotted a ball so round, rolling gently across the ground. She crawled up close, her eyes went wide, her little tail wagged side to side. She gave it a nudge, tap with her toe. The ball rolled forward, steady and slow. Friends, pretend to kick. Tap, tap, tap. Now clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. Bingo clapped. Go baby, go. Mum smiled warmly. Nice and slow. Dad called out, "That's the way. Keep on trying, you'll learn today." Baby Bluey giggled, her steps so small. She chased after the bouncy ball. Oops. She tripped, fell in the grass, but laughed so loudly as moments passed. Friends, roll on the floor, laugh with cheer. Now tiptoe softly, the ball is near. She stood up again, with courage strong. Her heart was singing a happy song. She kicked once more, boop with her shoe. The ball bounced high, up it flew. Down it came with a little spin, landing softly, right near her chin. Bingo shouted, "Kick to me!" Bluey kicked hard, full of glee. "Like this video and subscribe my channel," she sang out loud, like a playful panel. The ball rolled fast across the field. Bingo blocked it, her stance revealed. She kicked it back, soft and neat. Bluey caught it beneath her feet. Dad set up cones. "Try this game. Kick through here and earn your fame." Baby Bluey focused, eyes so bright. She gave it a kick with all her might. The ball rolled straight, smooth and true. Right through the cones the family knew. Everyone cheered, clapping so loud. "Baby Bluey, you made us proud." Friends, cheer together. Hooray, hooray. Wave your arms, laugh and play. Baby Bluey bounced, tiny feet high. "I did it. I kicked it. Oh my." Mum hugged her close. "See what you can do. When you keep on trying, dreams come true." The game went on till the sun sank low. Shadows stretched with a golden glow. The ball sat quiet. The field grew still. The breeze was soft. The air was chill. Bluey whispered, "Soccer's great. I'll practice more. I just can't wait." Dad nodded. "Teamwork's the key. Playing together, you and me." Friends, close your eyes and picture two. A soccer ball glowing just for you. Kick it gently, hear it roll. Feel its laughter fill your soul. Stars appeared in the evening sky. Baby Bluey yawned with a sleepy sigh. She cuddled near, her eyes closed deep, and drifted softly into sleep. Wave your hands, friends, side to side. Bluey and family are saying goodbye. Now rest your head, warm and deep. Soccer dreams will guard your sleep.